Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Today's video is going to be a collaboration video with my friend Megan. You'll probably know her as the Queen of Dry With Me's. So today we're going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing haul, and we are doing basically testing the basics section. So get your frappe out, we're doing a basics haul. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below. And yeah, let's get on with the basics. I've not opened it yet, so we're going to go through this, try it on, see if it's good or if it's terrible, and yeah. So I have all my things here. As you'll see, there is a lot of black things, it seems. I didn't realise I ordered so many black things, but I guess it is the basics section. So yeah, I have 9 items and I guess we're just going to go through them. So this was only £4 and it's literally just a basic black bandeau top, and it's ribbed and then it's a bit frilled on the top. So this is the cropped ribbed bandeau top. It's a bit shorter than I thought it was going to be, but it's cute, it does what it says. It's nice, it's not see-through, which is good, and yeah, all the frills kind of go away when you've actually got it on, but I'd keep this. I think it's quite cute. I'd wear this with some like black jeans or something. Okay, so I've taken everything out, all the bags, but I've not looked at everything just to like speed up the time. So the first, oh, they're not the first thing. So the next thing is the black crepe split side bandeau bodycon dress. And I got this in black. That looks tiny. So this is what it looks like. It's literally just a strip of material. It looks like a skirt, and short. It's very short. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we'll see how that fits. Okay, so this is the next dress. You look at it from this angle, you think, oh, it's a bit short, you know. It's very short. But you know, it's just a normal dress. And then, oh my goodness, my entire body, my organs right now. It's just short in general, and I'm like 5 foot, not even 5'2", but like, oh my goodness. Maybe if I shimmy it down. If I shimmy it down a bit, it's still very short. It's just. So the next thing, this is actually what I was like really excited for, and it's the only thing that they didn't have in my size. So I bought it in a size 6, everything else I got in a size 8, in hope that it's just really stretchy and it actually fits. So it's this red bodycon turtleneck dress, and it has little frilly cap sleeves, and I really love this. I really love the colour red, and I really love like high neck frilly sleeve things. So I got it in a size 6, and hopefully it doesn't look too bad. It looks like it could fit me, so keeping my fingers crossed. And this is the high neck cap sleeve bodycon dress in red. Okay, red dress, bit of a fail. Doesn't even fit like past my head because the head hole is this big and it doesn't stretch. So the next thing is a bodysuit, and this is the basic white bodysuit. That's all it's called. So it's basically just a basic white bodysuit. I think this was like £4. This was £5, and to be honest, I bought the white one just to see if it was like completely see-through or not. It doesn't look too see-through, like how white things go. That doesn't look too bad. So I guess we'll see. But yeah, it's just a basic cotton bodysuit. So this is the white bodysuit. It's not too bad. Tiny bits, yeah, it's quite see-through actually. That's quite bad, isn't it, Mel? It's like a nice length. I'm not going to show you any more than that, but like, it's a nice length. It is stretchy and soft. It feels nice. It's a bit see-through, isn't it? That's very see-through, and I'm wearing a nude bra, so like, I wouldn't recommend buying it in white. I think they had it in other colours. They may be better to buy, but I'd say the white is probably a no-go. The next thing I think is actually my final piece of colour, which is a bit sad because I only had one other piece of colour. But this is a basic everything's basic. I'm just going to get that out of the way. Everything is basic, so I'm going to say basic a lot. Basic blue cropped t-shirt, and this is the basic powder blue roll sleeve cropped t-shirt, and this was £5. It's really soft, really stretchy, and yeah, I kind of like that. I don't own anything blue, but they're definitely not good. Right, so next is the blue t-shirt. Honestly, it's just a basic blue t-shirt. I really like it. I think it's cute. I've tried it on with the leggings, so you'll have to wait for the leggings section to see that, but I'm in two minds about them, I'm going to say that. Okay, so the next thing is this black top. Now it's a square neck front, and it's just cotton, and again, basic. This was about £4, I think, so this is the basic black jersey square neck crop vest, and it looks a bit big. Now, this is a size 8, but like, it looks a bit big, so we'll see how that goes, but I think that might be good. So next is the jersey, you know, square neck. It's not actually too bad. When it's on, it fits nicely. I just need to kind of bring it in a bit. But yeah, I actually kind of like this. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one. It's a tiny bit see-through, but not like too bad. And because it's black and it's on the top, I think you can get away with it fine. Okay, so I wanted to try out the leggings because leggings are usually really thin, really see-through, and I thought, £4 leggings, let's try them out. They look so see-through. Oh my goodness. You could see all your organs through that. Can you see my face through that? Probably. So these are the black high-waist jersey leggings in a size 8, and they are see-through. So yeah, I have a feeling these are going to go back too, because these, I can literally see everything through them. I don't want my organs on show. Okay, so the next thing is the black cross-neck bodycon dress, and this is what it looks like. It looks a bit different than what I was expecting. It's a lot more see-through looking, but I guess we'll see how it fits. It's going to look very booby. I'm not too sure. Okay, so this is the top of the next dress. It's very, very plungy. I would definitely say you would need to tape this down immensely, because this is not just like staying in one place. It might just be because I'm short and it's not quite like pulling tight enough, but again, you can see it comes down very far. But the bottom of it is just basic black dress. You know? Oh my god. Yeah, this one's going back too. I tied it up and I changed my mind. It actually looks kind of cute. And the final thing is the same as the red dress, just in black and in a size 8. So just a black bodycon dress, a high neck and frilly sleeves. Now this, I say this dress is definitely the best quality, like this one isn't see-through and the material is the thickest out of them all, whereas like that other dress looks very see-through, the one I just showed you. So I have high hopes for this one and the red one, and obviously the t-shirts seem like they will be fine, but not sure about the leggings. And again, with the black one, I couldn't get it over my head. You can see my eyebrows. Yeah. So these turtleneck ones are not very good for people with heads. So that is the entire video. I hope you enjoyed it. I am now about to try the try-on clips, so you will know before I do if all of this is terrible or if all of this is good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video.